So yeah, sorry, you should be back by now. I'm not quite sure what happened. You know what Twitch is like, or rather CocoSplit. This is the program I'm using to actually run the thing. It's, you probably see it there. It's okay, it can be problematic. So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, let's anyway on with the show. I don't know what's happening here. It doesn't like my roles. I've got the roles thing here. What is roles again? Roles is just a map. Oh, it's got a map in it. Ah, that's not good. So this is the thing. Yeah, and that's right. And you just grab one. That's the overloading the operator. Pickled, if you're still online, that's what I was doing. Right, so right. Yeah, I can't iterate directly against the roles thing, which is kind of a shame. It'd be nice if I could. Trying to think the best way of getting this stuff out. Oh, it's nasty. I could just make it public from this thing. That can be quite neat. And then I can just say const iterator equals find, and then end. And then this can just be don't really need an add then. Yeah, that could work. Let's see how that goes. I haven't dissented that from map before, so that will probably break a bunch of stuff. But let's see. Yeah, sorry about the outages. I think it's something to do with the new program I'm using, CocoSplit, to get the stream up. I used to use Flash Media Live Encoder, and it stopped working. Right, so no member named first in role. Okay, this is the saver. Yeah, no, it wouldn't be. So this will be role first. And this is now a map, so this should work, yeah. It's time. 12:21. It's getting quite near lunchtime. Okay, this is a human ID, so it needs to be long roll second. So long is just what I'm using to save the pointers as a reference effectively in the code. I should be really pleased when I got this out of the way. It'd be a big thing to tick off on my list. Let's pull up. Where is it? There's my list. In fact, I'm going to publish my Wunderlist for this. You might be interested to see. If you want to go and grab that, you'll see basically the stuff that I have got. So I've got a whole ton of stuff I still need to do. The one I'm currently working on is this one. Actually, both of those, so I can take that one off. So yeah, so if you want to go and grab that, that's the URL. Put that in the messages as well. So it'll scroll on the bottom of the screen. Okay, let's go and have a look at that in a minute. Just screwing around with that. Okay. Crashed. Why did it crash? Let's have a quick look. So yeah, the link to that thing is, no, not that. There's there, if you're interested in seeing what I'm working on. I've also done that, which is great. It's a pretty random list, but it's what I'm roughly working on. This is more marketing stuff down here. Sorry, I should probably show you what I'm doing. Oh, it's got there. Right, so the roles, the operation is nil. Let's have a look. Right, it's got things in it. So obviously it hasn't saved correctly. Let's see if that actually works. It's got to be that it's not saved it. That's got to be what it is. Okay, so let's just sanity check my code for saving. So saver. When we have the historical event, we go through all the roles, we set the role, set the human ID, yep, so that's fine. And then we put them back. So let's just let's just print out a couple of things here. Role first equals, and then just role long role second. Okay, and then just so that shows us when we've saved the role. And then here we need to do similar loaded role r role our human ID, and then I also want to print out humans our human ID, just to make sure we've actually got the human that we're referring to. Okay, let's just run that and see what the debug output looks like. That would be a good thing. Okay. Saved role subject blah. Interesting. Doesn't appear to be saving the roles correctly. Let's just look at the one that we're actually working on here, which is here. So, cout. Otherwise it's a bit confusing. Okay, so save role, father, mother, and subject. So the subject is working, but the mother is most certainly not. Oh, that's because there isn't one, of course. There isn't a father and a mother, so that's fine. That's what we're expecting. The subject is correct, but then when we load the role, it's father, father, father. That's just wrong. So it's probably in the load. Yeah, look at that. That's why it's got to be a J. Fail, fail, fail. That's why you don't nest loops like that. Copy, paste, modify bugs, man. Anyway, so let's get this sorted. Crash off to save. Yeah, I know about that one. Okay. Okay, it's loading now. Boom! Test passed. Awesome. That's where the victory dance. Okay. Let's see. So all of that and the description saved. So that means the roles are saving. Brilliant. That is fantastic. Right. So now I've done all of that. That's worth a save. That's worth a new message. Yeah. I know. Yes. 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 Oh no. Edit that. Remove all of that rubbish. Yes. 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 Yep. Yep. Okay, so save event skeleton. First few events. Okay, now I need to save all the data for all the others, which I can just, I'm going to blitz through that. Yeah, so what we need is historical event here. Not that one, that's not what I meant. It's that one. Yeah, okay, so right, so we were doing death, weren't we? Death, death. Right, there we are. So bereavement is the next one. So we need to set human ID. Bereavement, it's not father, it's died. Human const died, const return died. That's done. Anything else? The relationship value, yeah, this is the annoying one. This was history proto, wasn't it? Their view of me, status and value, yeah. Set their view of me status. relationship value, their view of me. The reason that's important is because it affects what happens when this person dies. Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they devastated? It just depends. So their view of me is quite important. Their view of me, and this will be status. This is value. Okay, so that's bereavement. Takes after is easy.